Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, The Cuckoo Cook. This is your girl Anufriya, and today we will be making cranberry orange cookies, which are a delicious blend of tart cranberries, bright orange zest, and a crunchy turbinado sugar topping. So if you're looking for a festive holiday treat or just a year-round snack, these cookies are it. So grab your aprons and mixing bowls, and let's get cuckoo cooking. Alright, here are the ingredients for our recipe. Feel free to pause and get them all together. I will also link the recipe below, so if you need to check out the recipe, you can go to my website. First, we will start by making our orange infused sugar. Add a cup of sugar to a bowl. Next, grate the zest of 2 medium-sized oranges into the sugar. Rub the zest into the sugar to get that maximum amount of citrus flavor. Next, we will add 1 cup or approximately 8 ounces of softened butter to our mixing bowl. To the butter, we will add 1 cup of our orange infused sugar and half a cup of brown sugar. Now, we will mix our sugar and butter. Once we have creamed our butter and sugar, we will add 2 eggs and a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and then we will mix everything again. This is what our butter, sugar, and egg mix looks like. To this, we will start by adding 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, we will add half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we will add a cup of dried cranberries to our dry ingredients and mix again till everything just comes together. At this stage, make sure you do not overmix, as it will cause gluten to develop and make your cookies really tough. Here we are, and the dough looks just combined. We will chill it for 30 to 40 minutes. Chilling is an important step here, as it will solidify the fats in our cookie dough and prevent the cookies from spreading too much while baking. Trust me, these cookies taste best when they are nice, chunky, and fat. While our cookie dough is chilling, go ahead and preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius. Now that our dough is chilled, we will use an ice cream scoop to scoop up the cookie dough. You can use a cookie scoop to make smaller cookies, but I'm using an ice cream scoop because in our house, we like them big. Now that our cookies are ready, we will roll these in turbinado sugar for that extra crunchy texture. And then we will place them in the oven to bake for 12 to 14 minutes. Here we are, our cookies are fresh out of the oven. We will leave them on the cookie sheet for a couple of minutes to firm up. Once they firm up, we will place them on a wire rack to cool completely. Now that our cookies have cooled, let's see what they look like. Here we have our citrusy, soft, crunchy cookies, which are chock-a-block packed with tart cranberries. And I wish you could smell the orangey perfume. And what goes best with these cookies? It's a nice hot cup of tea. These are bursting with orange flavor, and the tartness of the cranberries is offset beautifully with the crunchy sugar on top. There you have it, folks, my cranberry and orange cookies. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.